Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a sound effect to your video clip on Sharefactory using your PlayStation 5. So if you're editing a video clip or something like that and you want a certain sound at a certain location, well, it's very easy to do. So we can go over the clip that I want and then press X on it. So I kind of died from this car. It kind of sucked. So I'm going to add a laugh track to it or something like that. So let's go over to Add Overlay now. And then we have stickers, text, or sound effects. So we can go to sound effects right here and then find something under here. So we have crowd boo. We can go ahead and just test that out. And you can see the duration. Some of these are like 7 seconds long. But just go through here and find something. I thought I saw like a laugh or something like that. So you got like a robot laser, spooky impact, tire screeching. So let's add a tire screeching to this. Now, you got to find the clip, and that's where it's going to be added to the timeline. So you can't really reposition this all that well. You can only move it back and forth on the specific clip. So I'm going to add it right here and then back out. And this is what it's going to sound like here. So just some tire screeches, not a whole lot of things. So I can add another FX. So let's just go to Add Overlay. And maybe do like where's the laugh one? I thought I saw some laughing stuff or an explosion, air horn. Yeet. There's a lot of yeets in here apparently. Hysterical laugh, here we go. So we can change the position on the clip or make it longer, a little bit shorter. All right, then we can back out. And let's listen to this now. Yeah, okay, so you could also try importing music with like a USB, or you could record something with your microphone. So if you want to like record something off your phone, you could put that on speaker mode. So we could just hit X, and then we can go up to add track 2. And then, hey, there's my bald head. And then press X again. And then go to record audio. And if you got a mic hooked up, you could just put a sound on your speaker or something like that and just record it off of here. I don't think my microphone is working on here. I think it's, oh, actually, look, there's some audio on there. Or something like that and just record it off. So you could literally just record off of your phone that's set to speaker and just put your phone next to the microphone on the controller if you're using the controller speaker or your headset speaker. And you could bring up literally any kind of sound effects. You could say your own sound effects, be like, oh, dummy, or something like that, and make your own laugh track. Or if you really want to bring your controller outside and record your car screeching or something like that, you could, because this is wireless. You just bring it outside. But yeah, you could just figure out any kind of sound effects with the speaker record option there as well. So hopefully this gave you some idea. If you did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.